Hey there, Tad Hargrove from Marketing for Hippies here with a short little video. What if people hate me? What if I put my stuff out there and people don't like it and it's criticized? Well, it will be. So here's an exercise I recommend. I invite you to think of a book that you've read that changed your life, a book you love, your favorite book, the book that you buy copies of to give to friends, like you just have to read this book. That you're brokenhearted when people won't read it. Think about that book. So for me, one of those books is a book called Tigana by Guy Gavriel Kay, a Canadian author, or A Language Older Than Words by Derek Jensen, or Come of Age or Die Wise by Stephen Jenkinson, or The Parable of the Tribes by Bertie Schmuckler, etc. I could go on. Anyways, these are some of my favorite books. Now, go to Amazon and read the 1-star reviews of these books. Because almost all these books will have 1-star reviews. Or 2 stars, or 3. A book that you would give 10 stars if you could, out of 5, has only gotten 1 star. This is just immense encouragement that even the books you love, the things you admire, the things that you look up to so much, are hated by other people. The thing that you can't imagine anyone hating, people really do hate and criticize and think it's all wrong. So I invite you to do that. If you're feeling a little down in the mouth or nervous, or who am I to teach and people wouldn't like what I have to offer, yeah, but they don't like the stuff that you love either, the stuff that you're already convinced about. So it's worth reading those just for that. A simple little tip if you're wanting a confidence boost. Even that which you admire is not admired by everybody. Thanks so much, everybody. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon. If you want some free help, you can check out my starter kit at marketingforhippies.com. And if you want to dig into it and see what's there, marketingforhippies.com/starter-kit. And it'll walk you through. There's 4 things you get. 10% off any of my ebooks. You'll be added to my email list. You get the full footage of my day-long Marketing for Hippies 101 workshop, the full footage, all of it, plus a bunch of other bonuses digging into that material more deeply. So hopefully you'll check that out. And thanks for watching today. Take care.